To have a view for what cleanings happened in your facility, you simply log on to the online dashboard, and there you can see how many cleanings happened today, how many are still scheduled, and how many of the cleanings are missed. Immediately you also have an overview of which cleanings happened yesterday and what it looked like for the past 8 weeks. To view a cleaning of a toilet unit in more detail, you can go to Toilet Units, Maintenances, and then you type in the name of the toilet, and you can select a certain date. In here you can see that the cleaning schedule is from 6 till 10, and cleaning happened in the night, in the morning, and you can also always see how long it took. At the same time, you can also see who cleaned it. To have a better overview of the statistics of the cleaning, you can go to Toilet Units, Maintenance Statistics, and here you can see what were the best times, for example, and what were the worst days. There's also a possibility to export all this data to CSV, which you can open in Excel.